Hallo. So we're finally on to our last common usage of our two-way prepositions, and that's when we're talking about when something occurs, so in time phrases. Basically, so we use an, in, vor, inzwischen when we're answering the question wann. Remember, wann is when. So, and some of these you've already seen or encountered, so you're just learning the rule for these now. The key thing is that whenever you use time, time always goes with the dative. So these two-way prepositions are going to take the dative when you're using them to talk about time. And so, for example, if I have Ich bin am 10. September in Salzburg angekommen. I arrived in Salzburg on September 10th. So am 10. September, an dem 10. September, an and dem get collided together to an. Das Wintersemester beginnt im Oktober. So, das Wintersemester beginnt in dem Oktober, im Oktober. Wintersemester begins in October. Vor dem Semesterbeginn muss ich aufs Auslandamt gehen. Before the start of the semester, I have to go to the Foreign Students Office. Und vor 3 Jahren war ich zum ersten Mal in Österreich. 3 years ago, I was in Austria for the first time. Meine Eltern kommen zwischen dem 1. und dem 10. Dezember zu Besuch. My parents are coming to visit between the 1st and the 10th of December. So, zwischen dem 1. und dem 10. So again, dem, this is your dative 1. 10. Dezember. And to put these into practice, in Buch, Seite 259, just a quick reminder, time expressions vor can also mean before or ago in German. And basically, they've almost given you the entire phrases. You're just adding in the datives. So making sure that you know what the endings are or your der words are in the dative. So, wann fliegst du nach Europa? In den Sommerferien. Und wann beginnt das Sommersemester in Deutschland? Im April. Auch ein sehr guter Film im April. Wann besuchst du deine Eltern? When are you visiting your parents? Am Wochenende. On the weekend. Und wann gehst du in die Bibliothek? Zwischen der Mathe-Vorlesung und dem Mittagessen. So, die Vorlesung, hence der Mathe-Vorlesung, und das Mittagessen, dem Mittagessen. So, between math class and lunch. Und wann gehst du auf den Markt? Vor meiner ersten Vorlesung. When do you go to the market before my first class? Und wann hast du deinen Computer gekauft? Vor einer Woche. A week ago. So again, vor einer Woche, die Woche, eine Woche. I bought it a week ago. Nice and straightforward, not much to this, but you will use these regularly since we use time phrases all the time when we're speaking to each other.